Today I'm going to talk about the 7 natural wonders of the world according to 7naturalwonders.org. These are beautiful and breathtaking naturally occurring places that are located throughout the world. We'll start with the one that you're most familiar with, which is the Grand Canyon. The Grand Canyon is located in the United States, mostly in Arizona, but does extend into southern Utah. The Grand Canyon is 277 miles long, with a distance of 18 miles wide and a depth of over 1 mile. According to the National Park Service website, nps.com, the Grand Canyon achieved national park status in 1919. 5 million tourists visit the Grand Canyon each year to observe the breathtaking views and colorful landscapes that extend beyond the horizon. Tourists can take full advantage of the view by air or down in the canyon by mule. This next one is Mount Everest. Mount Everest is located in the Himalayan mountains bordering Nepal and Tibet. Mount Everest reaches a peak of 29,029 feet. It is named after Sir George Everett, who was the first person to record the location and the height of the mountain in 1841. The first ascent was in 1953 by Sir Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay. Mount Everest is a major expedition by mountaineers daring to make the trek up to the summit, enduring the rough climate and high altitude changes, which is a major problem climbers face. Next we have the Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef is a beautiful display of ocean life. It is located off the coast of Queensland, Australia in the Pacific Ocean. It is the largest coral reef with 115,000 square miles, and it can even be seen by space. There are 3,000 individual coral reefs, 880 islands, and over 2,000 species of marine life. Tourists can enjoy the vibrant colors of the reef by snorkeling, diving, or even by air. This is Victoria Falls. Victoria Falls is located in southern Africa on the border of Zambia and Zimbabwe. The waterfall source comes from the Zambezi River, and it is named after the British Queen by the Scottish explorer Dr. David Livingstone. There are 5 different falls that span over a distance of 1 mile long. The best way to experience the falls is by air or by foot. There's a walking trail and a bridge to look out and capture the essence of the falls. Next we have Harbor of Rio de Janeiro. The Harbor of Rio de Janeiro is located in the heart of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. It was formed by the erosion of the Atlantic Ocean. Granite mountains line the balloon-shaped harbor, making for a magnificent view. Climbing to the top of these mountains is the best way to experience the panoramic views. You can also watch the rise and the fall of the sun on the sandy white beaches. This is Aurora Borealis, better known as the Northern Lights. These are waves of greenish glows that are naturally occurring. The collision of energetic charged particles with atoms in the higher altitude atmosphere is what causes the greenish glow. It is located in the northern hemisphere. The farther north that you travel to the magnetic pole, the greater chances of you seeing the northern lights. This is probably the one that you're least familiar with, which is the Paracutin volcano. It is located in Mexico, 200 miles west of Mexico City. It is an active volcano, but has been dormant since 1952. Man witnessed the birth of this volcano, and it is said to be originated from a cornfield. The volcano stands 1,345 feet above ground, and the best way to see this volcano is by hiking or riding horseback the 12-mile round trip to the top. So now that you are familiar with the 7 natural wonders of the world, maybe this will inspire you to take a trip or two around to experience these wonders yourself. Thank you.